How to buy website hosting on Hostinger. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy website hosting on Hostinger. First things first, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto this website, hostinger.com. You're just simply going to go ahead and come over here on the right hand side of the top corner and click on hosting and select web hosting. Then you're just simply going to scroll down and you're going to see they have 4 plans right here. There is a Black Friday sale going on, so you can go ahead and claim that deal if you want to. For web hosting, these are the plans and these are the discounts. Now I recommend going with the premium plan since it does give you better deal. Over here you can see in the single plan there's only one website, standard performance, 50 gigs, weekly backup, and 1 email. Whereas in the premium, you get 100 websites, standard performance, 100 gigabytes, weekly backup, and you get free email as well. Whereas over here, you only get 1 email. You do, however, get SSL in both of them, although they don't give you the free domain in the single package. So that's why I recommend going with the premium plan, since it's not that expensive or like the business one or the cloud startup. It's just perfect for you if you want to go ahead and get this. So what you're going to do is just simply go ahead and click on add to cart. You're going to go ahead and select the period. You have 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. You can see you save up to $500 right here. You can save $240, but if you just want to test it out for like a month or two, then I would suggest going with the monthly plan. But if you are planning on running your website for like a year or 2 years, then you can go ahead and select these plans as well, as you will be able to save a decent amount of money as well. Then you just simply need to create an account. So to create an account, all you have to do is add in your email address right here, or you can go ahead and continue with Google. It works like that as well. Then you just simply select a payment method. So it can be credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or CoinGate as well. It depends on you. You just then simply fill out this form and you should be good to go. If you have some coupon codes or discount, you can just simply go ahead and add it right here by clicking on this link on this button. The bar will pop up, add in the coupon. You can find it in the description as well. And then you just simply click on apply and just submit secure payments and you are good to go. And it's as simple, and that is how you create your account and get hosting from Hostinger. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Also watch these other videos that are on the screen if you are interested.